Þannig bretti börmann aðeins. Aðeins meira. Aðeins að láta... Aðeins að láta sjást smá, sko. 1, 2, finnir maður fannst maður meira svona þetta. Why should I reach out any high? Trust went to flames in front of my eyes. I realized that things just passed on by. But don't rush. I make a way in your way. I shouldn't care why things fall. Make a way, just not inside. You want it somehow, you want it. You just want it somehow, you just want it. You just want it somehow, you just want it. You just want it so. Harpa 2012. Ég er í stuði. Ég held það, ég heyri hérna nokkuð já. Why should I listen to your lies? Trust went to flames, all the games I just gave up. And all the things that passed on by. I'm alone, you're gone. Should I ever fall in love? I'm not home. So I ran away. Look away, tears are inside. If you want it somehow, go away. You just want it somehow, you just want it. You just want it somehow, you just want it. You just want it so. Þetta er Sindri Þórðarsen. Þetta er Hermingjarinn líka. Flott strákur. Það var algjört greiti gítarleikari. Komdu með eitthvað spila svona. Hann talar tilfinningar á báða gítarinn. If you want it somehow, go away. You just want it somehow, you just want it. You just want it somehow, you just want it. You just want it so. Viljið þið það? Hann þarf eiginlega að fá svona þriðju hendurna líka, sko.